Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, January 18th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. Just bear with me with my voice. Didn't trade much today. Again, I'm feeling pretty much under the weather. Did some trades. Actually, if I was feeling okay, I would have probably had a Grand Slam trade in K period. But at least seeing the market still pretty well. As far as the market did basically what it should do on a day like today, after coming in, attempting to rally, and then giving it up late in the day to go out with a price probe. All three of us price probed. We end 10 wide at M's high. Triple Q's end 9 wide with an afternoon rally high in K. Russell ends only 7 wide with an afternoon rally high in K. And Russell got very, very close to March's low. Missed it by like 30 cents. So that is something they had better watch out, right? Almost a 9-10 month balance when they finally broke above it, only to all come back all the way in and now are right at the lower end of that 10-month balance. The only trades I took today, I took a short in E when it popped up. Thought the market got a little bit too short in C and D. Took a short against C's high. 460 puts at the time. I took a long in F because there's just no tempo as they were attempting to make new lows. 454 call. And again, these were all small. And then in K period, same thing. As it was rallying up towards value high and E's high, started taking some small puts. If I was feeling better, I ended up doing only 15 total. If I was feeling better, it probably would have been a 5, a 10, a 10 and up, and minimum of 50, maybe 100. And that would have paid very nicely as it just totally rolled over. As far as destinations for tomorrow, upside is the price probe I'll use, which is H's low of 455.46. 10 wide, 457.25 at M's high. 458.90, K's afternoon rally high, and today's high of 459.96. For the downside, SPY didn't fill its gap until M period from back in December. 455.31, today's low. 454.95, price probe from December 20th. 451.14 weekly low, and then 448.92 monthly low. So some very precarious levels possibly coming up in the SPY and the ES, just like it did in the Russell. And then on the chart, and I'm just keeping this short. So here's our monthly. I said this morning we got below this trend line, right? Well, we're below it. More importantly than that, though, is if we take out last month's low, right? We had an outside month up last month. This month we took out last month's high by 98 cents. And now we're in danger of possibly taking out last month's low. Something to keep an eye on. The monthly is balanced. The weekly is firmly down. And the daily is firmly down. One time framing down 3 days. Now, did we just replace this double bottom with today's low? Possible, right? We took out these two lows. I mean, that's possible. We filled the gap. Is that all they wanted to do? Remains to be seen. But if we start getting any acceptance back into this day's range, again, there's nothing. You have that day's low and then the monthly low. Could get pretty interesting if that was to happen. Hope you had a good day trading. Have a great night. And we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.